So yun guys, magandang tanghali sa inyo lahat. Yan for today's video. Ayan sa likod ng aming bahay. Yan, flex ko lang sa inyo aming puno ng lugo. Yan ho guys, tsaka yung aming bodega. Yung bodega na hindi pa natatapos. Diba? Okay, watch the nature. What's the background? Ang tawag dito? What's the view? The view of the view. Makalimlim guys. Yung mahalin. Kung sa manin. Pasokin natin ang mansyon ni Marivic Consumition. At ating sisilipin yung aming ginawang pininturahan kahapon. Nako, there's a dead bird there. Okay, let's see if this one is tuyo na. Oh my goodness, it's really dry na. Very beautiful, oh. Nice paint, Albert. Very nice, huh? I like the texture, the color, and the vibrance.
What?
Okay. Very good.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Goods. Okay. Oh, there's a crack there. Wow. I like the color. The color is the color of the blends. Okay, let's out of here. Bullshit. Okay, guys. We're getting out of here.